Hey guys, Jacob here from Recreational Power Sports, coming at you with a 2024 Avalon VTX 1980 CR. As you can see here, it is matte black. That goes well with the black Bimini. Coming around to the back of the boat here, you do have cleats for anchor points, a fold down ladder, a Mercury 50 horse, and a swim platform. Let's take a look on the inside. Now that we're inside the boat, as you can see here, it does have a gray interior as well as the charcoal clad. If you take a look underneath, you can see there is speakers as well as the blue lights. And then if you come around this side here, it does have a pop-up change room. Coming around to this side of the boat, it does have a phone charger here as well as under the seat storage. Coming to the console here, it is fully fiberglass. It does have tilt steering, as well as a fish finder and a stereo. Coming to the back, more under the seat storage. If you lift up this guy here, more storage, and it does also come with a garbage can. Finishing it up, it does come with the L seating at the back, as well as the rear gate, getting you to the swim platform there. For more info on this boat, check it out at recreationalpowersports.com.